What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie, and today for you I am bringing you what's inside of an on-the-go supplement bag. So I have a little pill case that I'm gonna share with you guys in this video as well, but this has all of my other stuff. Okay, give you a little sneak peek. I have little tinctures and things and tea and all of that, and I just thought I would share because it's such a good way if you're living a healthy lifestyle, how to have all the supplements and things that you like to have on the go without splurging, going over the top, and still making yourself happy and live a fulfilled life. Okay, so if you guys are interested to see what's inside of here, how I organize it, and where I get all the products, call me the kit queen here because I love a well executed kit. So you guys will be seeing how I do everything, why I do everything. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, and without further ado, if you guys want to see what's inside this pouch, then just keep watching. Okay, so the main thing I really want to show you guys is this little kit here. Okay, this always goes into my purse, but there's some other things that I really feel like I want to show you as well. Because I'm always on the go, I like to have certain things on me. I carry different size purses. I have a clutch purse that I'm getting ready to share with you guys. I know everybody keeps asking me, but I wanted to share this with you guys first because this goes inside of my bigger purse. So I always carry like a backpack purse or a larger purse when I'm doing like excursions or I'm going to be out all day or whatever that may be. I'm on a health journey and kick. I like to organize my life in a way to where it makes sense for me. And the way it makes sense for me is to have bags that interchange inside other bags. So like, for example, I have a pouch that is like my purse. I will pop it on the screen if I have a video of it, but I have that on me all the time. If I'm running to the store really quick, no matter what I'm doing. And then I have all of these other interchangeable things that either go in my day bag. I could be in Disney, a park bag or whatever. I am bringing this with me. So these are very important items that I like to have on me to keep my life organized and to make sure I have everything that I need, keep my health in check, and all the important things accessible. So I'm going to share all those with you guys today. So the first thing I want to share with you, I'm thirsty right now, so I'm going to show you guys my drink stuff. Okay, so I'm going to move this stuff to the side. My water. Okay, I like chugging bottles of water, but if I'm on the go or I'm traveling, I am a full-time RVer. If you guys don't know that about me, I travel full-time in an RV with my 4 kids and my husband and my dog. So if I'm traveling or I'm on the go or whatever the case may be, I bring this. So this is a Stanley Cup. My friend actually bought this for me. She literally spoils me. I love her so much. So this is the pink one. It's beautiful. But what I like is all of the accessories. And we're going to dress this up today and I feel like this is part of my purse organization because this is stuff that I want to have on me. So I think that it's just important that I share with you guys my favorite Amazon products that I like to have on me that just make sense. Okay. So I was hoping that I could put this on over this thing here. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I just squeezed it on there because it's going to get dirty if I don't have this. See, it's already a little dirty right there because it's beige, but I know they have black and they have black in different colors, but this is exactly what I wanted to do. So yes, it does squeeze and fit. Yes, I'm really excited about that. So now it's not going to get as dirty down here. I feel like a Tide stick would totally get these little stains off. There's a couple other little stains. So now we're going to take these and we are going to make sure it doesn't leak. So it has these little plug things here. So there's something underneath here. So this goes over here like this. Okay, perfect. So that helps it not leak. So I'm going to try to put this here and see if this helps it from leaking. Okay, so now I put this guy here. So I think it's going to help it from leaking, which is really cool. Ooh, yeah, that's a tight fit. So now I have my water thing, which I love. There we go. Perfect. And now it's protected at the bottom. Tighten that. And now we are good to go with a strap. I have this guy right here. This, I already rinsed it out just a little bit ago. Has 2 compartments, which I'm super excited about. So I'm going to fill it up with some ice. Now you can have 2 sides. So I've been getting so many questions, you guys, on I've just lost 28 pounds recently. This has definitely helped me do it. It curbs your appetite. This is Trim Fit, okay? It tastes so good. They actually have a collagen powder I'm getting ready to get. I have links for you guys to save I will leave those. There's one link in my bio right now that will take you to my blog post that has all of the links. So this will be in that for you guys, but has so many other ingredients that help you burn fat, control your appetite, increase energy, and love the way you feel. So love this stuff, you guys. So if I ever feel like my hunger is getting out of control, it has definitely helped me. And I've also do intermittent fasting. So I have thyroid problems and I used to take medication and all that stuff, and I don't anymore because now that I'm being able to intermittent fast, I've finally been able to drop some weight, but it has taken me a long time to try to figure out how to do that. So I could also put this on one side and put my greens on the other side, but I just wanted to show you guys this because I absolutely love it. This is some of the green powders that I actually use sometimes, but I also have been loving, I'll take it out of this little pouch thing here. This is called Her Greens, okay? I love this stuff so much, so I'm gonna actually do this one first. Okay, it's very sweet. I'm gonna add some selenium. This is like really good if you have thyroid issues, and it does all kinds of other stuff. I am going to just do one thing of this full. I'm gonna put that in here. This is one of my favorite things to have. It's Stir. It doesn't have all those really harsh artificial chemicals in it. I try to stay away from them, but I don't completely eliminate them. I would be lying if I said I didn't have them sometimes. I definitely do a Diet Coke. I definitely do some like diet foods now. I was so big on like anti-chemical and all that, and I still am. I know what they do and they're not good for you, but I'm at a place right now where I'm really trying to lose weight and get down. So I'm willing to sacrifice a little bit just to get me going. But this is actually doesn't have any of those like aspartame or different things like that. So but because I already ate today, I usually do this when I wake up and I'm like, oh, I'm extra hungry today or whatever it is. This is like literally a lifesaver. But today, since I'm not putting that on this side, I would also put the collagen that they have, but I'm going to do some Stir on this side. And then I'm also going to do chlorophyll. I could add chia seeds, which, you know what, let's add some chia. You want to let the chia seeds sit for 15 minutes. So I won't be drinking that side until it's ready to go. So we're going to pour the water in here. Yeah. I'm going to add chlorophyll drops. I'm going to do 2 pumps maybe today. So let's show you what that looks like. Look at how dark that is. Oh, we're really green today. That's what we're doing. So then you take this guy and you turn it on, like you twist it like that. Okay. Look at that. One side is the chia drink and one side are the greens. Isn't that amazing? And then you can put the lid on and take it with you to go. So now it has all your supplements. You don't have to have a million cups with you. Isn't that great? Okay, so next up, I'm going to show you guys my vitamins that I take on the go. They won't fit in here. I just have these separate in my purse, but I always bring these with me. This is a part of my purse organization. Like I said, everything's from Amazon, including the label maker that I did these. Look how cute this label maker makes labels. That is this little guy right here. Isn't it so small? I love it. I just brought it with me to an Airbnb when I was traveling, and I'm obsessed. So in here, I have probiotics, multivitamin, and enzymes. Enzymes help break your food down. Obviously, multivitamin is the vitamin you take every day that gives you your basic essentials. I use Ritual. These are amazing. I'm also currently, I switch back and forth between Seed and Ritual probiotics. So I also have the probiotics by Ritual in here. Since I've been losing a lot of weight, I have been needing to take fiber pills. So I'm gonna take some of these probiotics out and add some of my fiber pills in here, because I usually take my probiotics in the morning. You always want to take them on an empty stomach before you eat anything. A lot of people don't take them correctly, but that is this little guy. Love it so much. In my to-go bag, if I'm out, if I'm shopping, if I'm doing stuff, I need snacks on me. I like to have them on me because if I skip a meal, I need a protein bar. Or if I'm like in between dinner and lunch and I'm like just famished. Or if I go to the movies and I need something sweet, I don't want to eat the movie theater stuff. So I have a bunch of things in here. So these are pretty good. I would definitely say it will make you feel like you're eating a candy bar. I have not had the coconut flavor yet or the raspberry, I just had the chocolate one. So I will let you guys know how those go. But I just got these off of Amazon. These are some of my favorite protein bars are the Quest. Now I know if you've had the original Quest, I don't prefer them. They're a little too dense for me. These are like Rice Krispies covered in chocolate. This one has caramel and this one doesn't. 3 net carbs. I think they have 170 calories in this one and 200 in this one. What? This one has less calories? Are you joking? Okay, this is my favorite one though so far. It is, what is it? The chocolate caramel pecan, the best. This one, you guys, you could cut this into pieces, and I've done that before, and I put it in my little snack container, which I'm getting ready to show you guys, and I bring it to the movies with me. So I freaking love those. And then I also do these little Quest candy bars. I like to have those on me. I have a peanut butter. I don't always reach for this, but I definitely like to have it just in case emergency. And these are so good. 1 gram of net carb and 11 grams of protein. I can only eat one. They're very powerful. So, but yeah, that's what I like to keep in here. We're going to put that right there. Okay. Then this is my snack container. This is actually made for like baby powder stuff. That's why it has a little hole there, but you can use it for snacks or whatever you want. I love how small it is and compact. So I can actually fit all of this in my backpack, these in my cup holder, and I'm good to go. Just added the pistachios in here. So now I'm going to add some of these. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are so freaking good. They are these candies. I like having candies in here with me if I go to the movies or whatever. We go to the movies at least once a week. I try to at least. 3 grams of net carb, 70 calories for the whole freaking bag. So I like the watermelon ones the best. These ones are the best. And then I like the peach ones next. There's another flavor I haven't tried. Oh, okay, well that's all that'll fit in here, so we'll do these. For right now, I'm gonna put, I have some chocolate almonds. I'm gonna also put these in this top little container here. I'm just not gonna open them up. I'm just gonna shove that in there. Then I had beef sticks and like different things, but that's just an example of some stuff you guys can put in your snack container. So another water bottle that I use on the go that I got from Amazon that I love is this one here. I just fill it up with water. It's like the size of one plastic water bottle, you know, your basic size. I think 16.9. This might be 17, I think. So I showed you guys the snacks, the waters, all that stuff. We're moving on to this now. Okay, so inside of here, it has 3 little compartments, which I think this is normally for lipstick, but I'm using these guys here. So we're gonna take these out. And now I'm going to start adding my chlorophyll drops because I always want to have these on me in one. Then we're going to do black cherry stir in another. Then I'm going to do stevia, liquid stevia in this one here. So let's do this one first. Okay, I'm not going to fill it up all the way. That is plenty. So now I'm going to take this. I'm going to put the lid on that. We're going to label them too in just a second. Now I'm going to take my squeeze. I already cleaned these out. They've been actually ready to go for quite some time now. Now we're going to do the squeeze. Okay, so now we have that. I got to make sure this one stays closed. Just rinse it off because that will dye your clothes. So we will make sure that stays closed. And then now I'm going to do my chlorophyll. I like having this on me as well. Okay, so now we have chlorophyll drops in this guy. I just got in a little bit closer. So I have my little app here. I love that it has cursive. I'm just going to hit print. 1 copy, hit print. And then now it comes out. There it is. Bam. Okay, so I think that's as small as we can go. So we're okay. So, all right. Here's our little tinctures we have here. Stir, chlorophyll, and stevia. All right, let's go through this little guy right here. I'm actually just going to pack it with you guys, okay? Now that we're starting to pack our bag, we're going to take our stir and we're going to stick it in here. We're going to take our chlorophyll and we're going to stick it in here, okay? And then now we're going to take our liquid stevia and we're going to put it in there, okay? Now, I have a bunch of tea, okay? So I like having different tea on me. So red leaf and hibiscus is good for on your period, PMS time. Then we have peach detox, and I love this green tea kombucha. It's really good. So there is another little pocket in here. Oh, and I forgot this one. The 4 Sigmatic Cocoa Mushroom Mix, which I also love this one. So those are all, we're gonna pile those all up and we're gonna stick them right in here. Okay, then I have a bunch of this true lemon, which this is like real lemon that they've dried down, and then you can put it in your water or whatever. I love this stuff. So I'm sticking this down into the bottom right here. And then next up we have these little packets. So I have a little pack of matcha, ceremonial grade. Make sure it's ceremonial grade, otherwise it'll be bitter. Then I always have, I take this every day. This is grass-fed bone broth. So good for you guys. Like, this is definitely good. I kind of get all the powder to go down and I bend it so it'll fit in here. And then next I have Her Time, Her Power, and Her Greens. So I showed you guys Her Greens earlier. I will link everything for you guys, like I said in that blog post. But Her Time, I'm taking this right now. I'm getting ready to start my period. And it just has a bunch of different nutritional support for your hormonal health. Then this is Her Power. This is for mind and mood support. And then this is your daily greens. So I just love having these. You get a percentage off. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I will leave the code down below for you guys. So now I'm going to take this and we're going to stick them in here like so. We're going to grab the matcha and stick her in there, and then we're going to grab the bone broth. And I'm going to stick him in here as well. Oh, I normally carry a little Ziploc bag of protein powder. I used it up. I should have put it back in here, but I usually like to keep protein powder in here as well. I just keep one serving. And then so if I'm on the go, I could either get some hot water from Starbucks or whatever, and then, or I can get some water and just shake up my protein shake. Like so. There it is. It's just nice and compact, and I just know that this is all of my supplements, and I just love having them on me like that. So now I have my little bag that has my supplements, I have my pills, and then I can bring my little snacks if I need to, and my extra drinks, and my water. I also have, like I said, this water bottle. So it's so nice to have everything on me. And I will be sharing with you guys my day bag. I always share it with you guys at least once a year. I'll be sharing my purse pouch, the one that I bring with me all the time when I don't carry this stuff. I'll be sharing that with you guys next week, so you'll be able to see that. But I'm gonna add a 4th dropper, an interchange between the chlorophyll and this one, because I feel like I probably want this one. This is an electrolyte concentrate, and this is by a really good brand. So I'm probably gonna do this one in there more often, and then the chlorophyll, because when we go to high altitudes, chlorophyll definitely helps. But I'm gonna add this. I just wanted to show you guys. It just came in the mail. I've been waiting for it, so. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed what was inside my supplement pouch. I really enjoy making videos like this for you because I hope they're helpful. If you feel like they were, give your girl a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll be listing all the products for you in one link. It'll say click here for links. When you click that link, it'll take you to my website where you will have a long list of items that I've shared with you in this video. If you guys have made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. Leave me some sort of fruit or vegetable emoji down below and let me know that you did. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie. Bye.